What's going on, guys? Chris Ramirez here, and in this video I want to go ahead and give you a review. You would think, okay, why would I be reviewing my own product? Leave that for the people that haven't created the product. I'm getting in front of the review keyword for a reason, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the sales page and show you the members area. All right. So before I get into it, be sure to like the video. Helps the channel grow tremendously. To subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon. Okay, so you'll be landing on this page, or if you've already seen this page from someone else pushing it to you, one of our affiliate partners. And basically, what I'm talking about is how the Atlas browser. The methods that I show, which the training has already been cut, but they are about to retire the browser if it hasn't been retired already by the time you hit this video. So I do cover in the training how the Atlas browser workflow translates in the Google to Gemini experience. It's pretty much the same layout, same deal, same thing. You can follow the Atlas traffic method with the Google to Gemini browser once they fully retire the actual browser itself. Not only that, you can do the browser experience through the actual GPT desktop app. Okay, very easy to do. We talk about it. Okay, so if you look through the page, we have some verifiable results right here of me hitting higher rankings in the leaderboard. Me and my brother right here in the kitchens that we had worked in. Okay. And we got more proof. Obviously, read the page because I want to get to the members area. Okay. All right. And it's currently $17 right now. Now, if you catch the exit pop, you can get it for $7 for a 3-day trial. And then it charges $10 additional, which is going to be well worth it. So we're about to go pop into the members area. Okay. And once you pick it up, this is the members area right here. And I'm going to just go through the walkthrough, go down the line with you as far as the videos. So we got the first video here, which kind of sets the pace. It's a shorter video, sets the pace. It tells you how to go about consuming the offer. Excuse me. Oh, gosh. Pardon me. Had a Red Bull. Anyhow. And then the second video, I pretty much bridge to you or let you know that if you're using Chrome and Gemini, you could follow along. You could still follow along, okay? And then there's the actual Atlas traffic system itself. All right. And behind that is the Co-Work Research to Product Launch. Build crazy fast pages with Claude Co-Work and then sell them. Okay. And this video right here has a follow-up surprise bonus training. You see right here. I'm not going to show it. I'm not going to show it. Okay. And that training is going to bridge the this video to the next. Okay. So you'll see, guys. Once you get to this part which says build crazy fast pages with Claude Co-Work, then sell them, you'll see how it all ties into what I'm showing you guys in the way I'm monetizing with AI. Okay, as far as building an online business, you know, outside of the organics methods with the Atlas traffic system that you can also duplicate in the Google or Chrome browser with Gemini. It's the same deal, guys. It really is. Next to the GPT app install, like I told you earlier. Okay, so if you're looking to go ahead and pick that up, you'll see that link below right there. Even though I would really prefer you go back to the affiliate that sent you originally, whether it was the vendor me and you're on my list, or some affiliate sent you to the actual sales page. You've seen the sales page and then you went to check for a review on it. So here I am giving you the vendor version of the review. And to let you know that surprise bonus training is really going to take the cake. It's going to put the icing on top the cake. You'll see. Okay. It's really amazing. All this AI tech. It just made life so much easier for all of us. And there's so many tools to choose from that many people don't know where to begin. And you just need to choose a handful of them and just start. Okay. So I'm gonna leave the video at that. So if you're thinking about picking up AT Method V2 Vibe Coding for Dummies Edition, just so you know, AT stands for Atlas Traffic Method. V2. And yeah, that's what I want to let you know. All right, so you'll see that link below. Go ahead, pick it up. You'll see the link right there, and I'll see you guys in the members area. Now, if you got the email from someone else, another affiliate, go help them out. Pick it up through them. Help them make some commissions, because they're pushing a product I stand behind 100%. It's what we do in the trenches. It's the motions that I've developed since tinkering with all this AI tech. Okay. And I'm gonna leave it at that. Okay. So if you made it this far to the video, like the video, helps the channel grow tremendously. Subscribe to the channel, click that bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.